Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick up the week on a brighter side. Last week, our thought-provoking question was, when do sacrifices lead us to salvation?
Today we will distinguish, when do we react or how do we respond?
The terms react and respond are often used interchangeably, but they carry distinct nuances. So especially in the context of behavior and communication. Do we react or respond to a scenario?
React. React is an immediate and instinctive, often driven by emotions or instincts. It's a quick, sometimes impulsive action, often without much thought.
Respond is thoughtful and deliberate, often driven by considerations. It involves thinking through the situation before taking action.
React is less consideration. Reactions tend to be automatic and less thought out. They're often based on habits, past experiences, or emotional triggers.
Response, more consideration. Responses take into account the context, consequences, and feelings of others. So they're more thoughtful and measured.
Reaction has a short-term focus. It focuses on the immediate moment, addressing what's happening right now.
Response has a long-term focus. It often considers the long-term effects and aims to address the root of the issue, rather than just the immediate situation.
Examples of reacting. How do you react when someone cuts you off in traffic? Do you honk your horn or do you feel angry?
Example of responding is, how do you respond when someone cuts you off in traffic? Instead of honking or reacting with anger, we might choose to take a deep breath and calmly continue driving, understanding that the other driver might be in a hurry or drove in error for a reason we don't know.
For our 8K before 8 a.m., how'd we do? Today I've got a little over 4,400 steps. Not a lot. I didn't have a chance.
I think we need some more. Until next week, guys. See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.